Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Discord not working problem and Discord server create issue problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, done. Back to home screen and go to phone settings and scroll down. Then tap on apps option, tap on search for Discord, tap on Discord app and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow, back, contacts allow, back, microphone allow, back, music and audio allow, back, notifications, turn on notifications, back, and photos and videos allow. Okay, back, and all permission complete. Back to home screen. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for Discord. Now check update your Discord app, and my Discord app already updated to the latest version. Okay, now open your Discord app and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, share now.